FOGSI PPH CONCLAVE, which is going to be held on the 30th and the 31st of March. Patna OBS GYN Society, which is the host, is anxiously waiting for you to attend this. We're going to make it a very, very memorable event for all of us. We have a dedicated workshop which is going to be live with surgeries for managing PPH. Actually, the theme of the conclave is a practical approach to managing postpartum hemorrhage. We know that our women are dying because of this condition, and every effort should be made to treat this condition, to prevent this condition, and that is what we are looking at in this conclave. We have Dr. Jaideep Tang, our president, who is going to give the oration and will show us the way forward. We have very practical discussions, panel discussions. We have plenary sessions, quiz competitions, and over 100 free papers and posters. I'm sure your presence here is going to add value to this conference. So we are looking forward to see you here on the 30th and the 31st of March. See you. Thank you.